Service Connect provides organizations with a single portal to access Lenovo-based warranty and enhanced services. In this video, we will show you how to manage your serial numbers. There are two ways to upload asset lists. You can upload single items or a bulk list. Start on the products page and click Add Product. For a single upload, type in the serial number. The machine type will auto-populate. Choose the country or region and then click the Submit button. You will receive a success message indicating that your serial number is added to your product list. For the bulk upload, click the Batch Upload button, then click Product Template and download the upload template. An Excel file will be downloaded to your computer. Add the serial numbers to column A. Column B is for your machine type model. Add the country code in column C. Country codes are 2 characters. You can see all country codes in column J. When you are finished, save your list as a CSV file. After saving your CSV file, return to the products page and then back to the batch upload. Drag and drop the Excel template to the upload box or click the Browse button to locate your file. After the upload is complete, click the Submit button. If you want to remove a serial number from your list, navigate back to the products page and find the product or serial number you want to remove. Simply click the trash can icon next to the product or serial number you want to remove. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.